going on, YouTube? Back with another video. We're down at the dam right now. Today is the event for 5 Star Friday. It's gonna be a crazy turnout. Hopefully a bunch of people come through, but right now we're waiting on our vendors to get here. We're waiting on the rest of our members, and we're gonna set up. Meet doesn't start for another little bit, but it's gonna be a good one, hopefully. Let's get into it. We got some of the members up here. We're still waiting on a few more. We got Jaden, Versace, Alex, Ace, me and Will right here. It's gonna be a good meet. It's still an hour until the meet starts, but we're getting set up. Hey, man. Rivers Genesis out here. He's one of the VIPs. Beautiful rap. Let's go. Little 5-0. Bro! What's up, twin? Yeah. Hey, park right there in that first spot.
Let me up. Oh no, bro. Like in front of Kenny?
Yeah, but don't back in. Did you want to? Got the R8 parked up over here next to the Camaro and the new Nissan Z and the 370Z Cane right here. Yes, sir. We got Rail setting up the snack cart right here. Yes, sir. Dustin helping out. Dustin, why you got a wheel?
Dude. We put wheels.
Where did you get these from?
My
Your
truck.
Oh! Yeah. Beautiful Mitsubishi right here. Got the vintage setup right here. Yes, sir. Got Flying Asian right here, camera. Clean ass shit. Little Stinger. Where's he gonna park? Y'all shit would look tough together.
I taught him I want to do one.
What's up, bro?
Two KDMs together. You got one bag that. Is that a V6? Hey, it's into a V! What's you doing, bro? Chill, bro. What's up,
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? What's been chilling, bro? Oh,
Hey. Bro, that shit's hard, bro. I like Mason Saint right here in the beam. I swear, this is the cleanest Jetta ever. He was in Gatlinburg, like he was in the Slam Enough show. PBS's, bro. It's beautiful. I mean, look at his system in the back. So tough. Got the V10 Audi right here. The R8 motherfucker. Damn. Got some more people coming in. It is a great turnout so far, y'all. We got Kenny and Kenny right here. We set up the little barrier. This is where they're gonna do the little photo shoot action. Beautiful shot from right there.
I think so. Midnight Purple John.
Bro, it is too damn packed. We're out here trying to direct traffic. There's cars we've never even seen out here before. Bro, it's going crazy. Damn. All right. Beautiful Stinger right here. Hard as hell. Hella cars in here. It's packed out. We got the officers right here. Little Lexus. Bro, I don't know. Bikes coming in. I repeat, bikes coming in. I can't hear shit. The cars are out. Whole line is coming back in though. I'm not. They gotta turn around. Go up there and make sure people go up there. All right, on it. Damn, it's so packed. People trying to get out. You got a damn tow truck right here towing this van. Oh!
There's a car coming, dude.
I'd say it's going pretty good.
I think somebody started my car.
It's going crazy out here, y'all. We still got the vintage booth out. All the damn bikes up here. You know, them bikes just park where they want. It's going crazy out here. It's so crazy up here. It's so different than last time. You heading out, bro?
Yeah.
Drive safe. See you, G. There's so many people up here. I was down there directing traffic. I haven't even seen everything up here. This looks like Mason's heading out. Mason, you heading out?
Yeah.
See you, bro. Love you, G. Drive safe. It is crazy out here, y'all. Packed to the fucking bone. I'd say we got at least 500 cars out here tonight. At least.
What?
It's crazy out here. I wish I could truly capture the mass of this meat.
You trying to talk it to your microphone?
Bruh. is going so crazy. We've only been started for 2 hours. The meet's going until 9. I can't even hear myself. We haven't even given out any awards yet, and we are packed out. Oh, the meet's going crazy. We got Big Will right here. We got David right here. Oh yeah. Ew. We basically got parking done.
Bro, fuck.
Where's Rel?
Me and Rel got parking done.
I was on break,
My
bro.
stomach hurts.
I was finna throw up and I needed to eat a cheeseburger.
Bro, I haven't eaten
Either until that cheeseburger.
Hold up, your turn.
Hold on now.
Please let me go.
We gotta give out awards, bro. Figuring out who we're gonna give the awards to. We got best paint / wrap, best fitment, best interior. We're gonna figure it out. Alright, good.
This one you, bro?
This is our winner for tonight for best fitment. Beautiful fitment.
Okay. I was on
Don't know how we could have said anything different. Right here, we got best interior. You already know who this is going to, folks.
Oh, excuse me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you get? Yes, sir.
This right here is the winner for the best interior award this time. And obviously he had to be. Nobody does it better than him. This is the winner of our paint / wrap award. Beautiful color on this. I don't know what more I could say.
Do your shit, hey. Do your shit, hey. Hey, 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 hey.
We both got shots. Snack Cart was a great success. Smash Boys was a great success. The vintage. Oh, wow. Also a great success. The show in general, a great success. it was a crazy event. Everybody is packing up and heading out now. I don't know what more to say. If any of y'all were here at the event today and you're watching this now, thank you so much for coming through. This was our biggest meet of the year and our first meet of the year. So stay tuned for many, many more. It's gonna get even crazier by the month. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.